Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. To do this, you just need to go and open your TikTok account. And after opening your TikTok account, you need to click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, click on Settings and Privacy. And after that, click on the second option, which is Privacy. And as you can see, the first option is Private Account. You just need to click on it, and it tells you that if you set your account as private, your content will not be available to anyone except your friends. They are the only ones that can see your content. And if you are okay, you can click on switch anyway. And of course, if you have like a business account, like you will lose the business account features if you change your account to private account. So if you are okay with all this, you just need to click on switch anyway. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.